Looking at this math kangaroo question, see, it's a diagram based. Okay, I would rather say diagram based question. So it is saying that there is a honeycomb with 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4, so 16 cells. Some of them contain honey. So this is like the classic Minesweeper game that we had in Microsoft, right? So the number in each cell indicates how many of its neighboring cells contain honey. So this is one. So that means there are two neighbors here with which it shares a border, okay, or an edge. So two neighbors, one of them will have some honey. We don't know which one, okay. The question is to figure out how many contain honey. So we can't just start off from here because we don't know which of these two contain honey, right? So we have to think of one approach where from that point we can go on finding out which cell has exactly how much. Now, if you start from here, it says zero. That means this and this, they don't have honey. That's for sure. Now, if you look at this one, three, the ones with which it shares a boundary are this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, the fact that it says three there, that means three of them are going to have honey. This one is already out. So the only three left are this one, and this one. Okay. Now coming to the two, you already have two neighbors having honey. So this one will not have any honey present. So that is a cross. Now if you look at this three, what are its neighbors? This is a neighbor which does not have honey. This one, three already is there having honey. Four and one are the other two. So they must have honey as well. So four and one both have honey. Right? That's done. Now coming back to one, this has only one neighbor which has honey. So that is four. So that means the other neighbor here, which is this four, will not have any honey. Okay. Now, if you look at this three here, which we have not yet done, so this three has three neighbors with honey. So the neighbors which have honey are four and two. Okay. The neighbors with three which have honey are four and two. So this four must also have, so that you have got those three neighbors with honey. Okay. Now come to this four. Four of them have honey. So this one already has, this one already has. The other two neighbors, three and two, must have. So these two also have. Next, we have done this four. Next, come to this four. This four needs four neighbors as well. So this has one, this has two, this has three, this has four. It's already settled. Okay. Next, this four comes in. You need to have four of them. This is one, there's two, there's three, there's four. So the others don't have. So this one does not, this one does not. Okay. Next, this two, already three and four have honey. So that's already taken care of. Next, come to this two. This needs two neighbors, one and two. So that's done. This also needs two neighbors, four and three. That's done. So that means this three will not have honey. Okay. Next, we'll come to this two, which has three and four. So that's taken care of. This three, one, two. We need one more. So one. This has honey. So this three is done. Now this two neighbors. So three and one have honey. Correct. These three were already taken care of. Just to cross check, this needs three neighbors. So one is here, four and four. So three neighbors which have honey, and this one has one neighbor which has honey. So that is two. So we have filled up the whole grid. So now we have to count how many contain honey. So there's one, then two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. So the answer is option C. I hope this was clear.